how do smart contracts facilitate the tokenization process and manage ownership rights? Using smart contracts can automate the process of creating, issuing, and managing digital tokens, which can be used to represent real estate assets. There are a few challenges, specifically if you're not following any standard or specification for smart contracts, but it's really important to deploy the exactly same contract on both chains. We had Polygon to do all the operation, but we had the option to bridge that to Ethereum. And also to have more interoperability across other platforms for real estate assets. So Chainlink would be very important here, especially if you're doing a DeFi and allowing users to change those tokens using USDT or USDC. And by using hashing algorithm, you can ensure that data pointing to the actual documents didn't change. Better to do this a decentralized way, where you can have a real estate assets with your own token, your own whitelist, and doing a proper architecture on top of it to prevent any kind of scalability problem or performance issues. We have other standards for real-world assets such as the 3643 and integration with accounting system to calculate and distribute those dividends automatically, and zero knowledge proof would be awesome with a good chip on top of those real world assets. I think it would be very convenient for users. So I see more people using credential wallets during this onboarding process by using wallets, so you don't need to fulfill and you don't need to wait for someone to verify your document. It should be kind of instant. So how can I see the real estate handling in the next 3-5 years? The tokenization process itself, maybe it's not gonna change much. We do have very good ways of provisioning the infrastructure, but the QAC process and the accreditation process can be improved a lot.